How to lock WhatsApp with Fingerprint. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is simply launch the settings application on a device and tap on the apps option. Now select on app log and make sure that you toggle it on for WhatsApp over here. So just wait, and as you can see, one app has been locked, which is WhatsApp, since I've toggled it on. So now when you go to WhatsApp, you can simply see the app is locked. So this is in a pattern form because my phone is locked and my phone has a screen lock of a pattern. So if you want to have lock WhatsApp with Fingerprint, you can simply go to the settings and tap on passwords and security. Select on the fingerprint option, which I don't have on the screen right now, but you can simply select on fingerprint and put on your fingerprint, and that's how you can lock WhatsApp with Fingerprint as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.